How to convert MQTT to OPC UA. First, download and install Cogent DataHub software. Start the DataHub, and from the Properties window, select the Security option to configure secure remote connections. Click the Configure button. Under Users, click the Add button to add a built-in user. Enter a username and password. Uncheck the required TOTP authentication box because this is a non-interactive connection. Then click OK. In the roles, check the All Data Full Access box. This enables secure remote connections. Then click OK and Apply. In the Properties window, select the MQTT Broker. Ensure the Enable MQTT Broker option is checked, and that Listen for connections on port 1883 is enabled. In Message Content, select Interpret messages as JSON data point values and the simple message format. Then click the Edit button. In the Configure Parser dialog window, delete all values in the per point format entry field. Type open curly bracket, value, closed curly bracket. This will assign the entire content of each MQTT message to be the value of a DataHub point. See the documentation for other options. Click OK to close this window. Back in the main configuration, in Options, make sure Require Authentication and Use per Topic Permissions are not selected. This will simplify your security requirements for now. See the documentation for enabling security later on. You can keep Mark Data as Not Connected selected. Leave all the other options at the default settings, and click Apply. Connect your device to your DataHub MQTT Broker. We are using an MQTT demo program to simulate a device. In our simulator, we create an MQTT topic name as a two-part string separated by a slash, like device1/message1. The first part of the string is for the DataHub domain and the second part is the point name. Your device may use a different naming convention. Publish a test message to the DataHub MQTT Broker. Back in your DataHub instance, click View Data to see your data in the data browser. The device is now connected. Back in the Properties window, select the OPC UA option. Make sure the box for Act as an OPC UA server is checked, and the protocols you need are also checked. Then click Apply. In your OPC UA client, add the Cogent DataHub server. Then select your nodes. You should see your data. Now you are connected.